Alright, what's up? We're back again in the near blizzard conditions here. It's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And it just started snowing this heavy again, actually, right as I was coming out to start filming. I was going to be talking about how we've been riding the edge of a dry slot for the last hour or so, but now we got another band popping up and rolling right through us. We've still got several hours of snow to go. Not sure exactly how much we have officially. This is kind of a drift on my front porch, but you can see about 5 inches. So I'd say we probably have closer to 3, maybe 4 inches. Again, it's really tough to measure when it's this windy. It's just blowing everywhere. Unfortunately, to top things off with all this snow, looks like over there's water freezing in the ditch. I think a water line burst down the road. Oh, but yeah, it's a freaking winter wonderland out here. Oh, burr. It's the last snowstorm. The blue flag out there got covered up almost completely. The yellow flags usually stayed up. They marked all this on our street right before we got the Groundhog's Day storm. So, bad timing on their part. Let's hop down here and look at the car. There's my igloo set up for the feral cats that are hunkered down somewhere else. Wipers are even starting to get buried. Back in case I have to get out tonight. Hopefully won't have to, but my wife's the boss, so if she has to go to work and needs a ride, I gotta get her there. Sorry for the shaking, I'm quite cold. I think it's about time to call it on this video and head back in and get another update here in a little bit. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Stop. Hit the button, Harley. Nope, too cold. Gloves won't work. Rip.